Hello friends, now I am with 20 multiple choice questions on intelligence or theories of intelligence. So question number 1, who proposed the two-factor theory of intelligence? A. Charles Spearman, B. Alfred Binet, C. J.P. Guilford and D. Howard Gardner. Answer is A. Charles Spearman. Spearman suggested that intelligence consists of a general factor, that is G, and a specific factor S. He considered that all persons have general factors of intelligence, and some persons who have extra or a specific talent or intelligence is known as a specific factor. So first factor is with all the persons, and the specific factors are different for different people. Some are painters, some are magicians, some are singers, some are dancers. So specific factor varies from person to person. So G factor is general factor, general intelligence, common to all tasks, and a specific factor are specific abilities related to particular task. So a student good in mathematics is likely to do well in science because of he has G factor, high G factor. But he can play violin also, that is the S factor, specific factor. Question number 2, Howard Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence includes how many intelligences? A7, B8, C9, D6. Answer is B8. Gardner proposed 8 intelligences. Linguistic intelligence is with people who write, writers, authors. Logical mathematical intelligence is with the people who are good in mathematics. And logic, spatial intelligence is found in painters and architects. Musical intelligence is with singers. Body kinesthetic intelligence is found in gymnasts and dancers. Interpersonal intelligence is found in the person, in counselors or psychologists. Intrapersonal intelligence is found in religious saints, and naturalistic intelligence is found in environmentalists. So these are simple examples. A magician shows musical intelligence, while a gardener shows naturalistic intelligence in gardening. Question number 3, Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence does not include which component? A. Analytical, B. Practical, C. Creative, D. Emotional. Answer is D. Emotional. Triarchic theory includes analytical, creative, and practical intelligence. Emotional intelligence was proposed by Salovey and Mayer, later popularized by Goldman. So, analytical intelligence is solving math problems, practical handling real life situation, and creative intelligence is writing a poem. Question number 4, who coined the term emotional intelligence? A. Daniel Goleman, B. Salovey and Mayer, C. Alfred Binet and D. Sternberg. Answer is B. Salovey Mayer, because the term is coined by Salovey and Mayer in 1990. Goldman later popularized it in his book. So, emotional and intelligence is managing anger in a stressful situation, shows how you control your emotions. Question number 5. According to Guilford, structure of intellect model has how many factors? A 60, B 90, C 120 and D 150. Answer is D 150. Guilford proposed intelligence has 3 dimensions. First, operations, second, contents, and third, products, giving 150 factors. Problem solving in science is operation, evaluation, content, symbolic, product, relations. Who is considered the pioneer of first intelligence test? A. Wechsler, B. Terman, C. Alfred Binet, D. Galton. Answer is C. Alfred Binet. Binet developed the first intelligence test in 1905 to identify students needing special education. Binet-Simon scale is the example of Binet's intelligence test. Seventh, question number 7. Which theory emphasizes the role of culture and environment in intelligence? A. Spearman's two-factor theory. B. Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. C. Cattell's fluid and crystallized intelligence theory. D. Thorndike's multi-factor theory. Answer is Cattell's fluid and crystallized intelligence theory. Fluid intelligence is problem-solving ability independent of experience. It does not depend on experience, but whereas crystallized intelligence depends on experience, knowledge gained from culture and experience. So fluid intelligence is solving a new puzzle and crystallized is vocabulary test. Question number 8. Emotional intelligence is most useful in which profession? A. Scientist. B. Engineer. C. Teacher. D. Mathematician. Answer is C. Teacher. Teacher needs to manage their own emotions and understand students' feelings. A teacher calming an angry student shows emotional intelligence. Question number 9. The term mental age was introduced by A. Alfred Binet, B. Stern, C. Terman, D. Wessler. Answer is A. Alfred Binet. Mental age refers to the age at which a child performs intellectually. A 10-year-old performing like an 8-year-old has a mental age of 8 years. Question number 10. IQ formula given by Stern is MA by CA into 100. MA is mental age, CA is chronological age. B. CA by MA into 100. C. MA by CA into 100. D. MA minus CA. Answer is C. MA by CA into 100. IQ is equal to mental age divided by chronological age into 100. If mental age is 12 and chronological, then 12 by 10 into 100, IQ will be 120. Which of the following is an example of naturalistic intelligence? A. Writing a story. B. Identifying plants and animals. C. Playing chess. And D. Solving algebra problems. Answer is identifying plants and animals. Naturalistic intelligence relates to understanding nature. A botanist identifying plant species. Well, question number 12. A Spearman's theory, the S factor, refers to A. Special ability for a specific task. B. Social skills. C. Speed of learning. D. Standardized ability. Answer is A. Special ability for a specific task. S factor is equal to ability specific to a task like music or art. Example, a student strong in painting but average in math. Question number 13. Gardner's theory suggests that schools should focus only on linguistic and mathematical skills. B. Emphasize all 8 intelligences. C. Ignore physical activities. D. Prefer only academic subjects. Answer is B. Emphasize all 8 intelligences. Every child has different intelligence strengths, providing art, music, sports along with academics. Question number 14. Which type of intelligence declines with age according to Cattell? Fluid. A. Fluid. B. Crystallized. C. Both. D. None. Answer is A. Fluid. Fluid intelligence, that is reasoning, problem solving, declines with age, while crystallized intelligence increases. Older people may struggle with new technologies. Question number 15. Which intelligence is crucial for self-awareness? A. Interpersonal. B. Intrapersonal. C. Logical. D. Bodily. Answer is B. Intrapersonal. Intrapersonal intelligence is equal to understanding oneself. Example, knowing personal strength and weaknesses. Question number 16. Thorndike proposed which theory of intelligence? A. Triarchic theory. B. Multi-factor theory. C. Two-factor theory. D. Hierarchical theory. Answer is B. Multi-factor theory. Thorndike believed intelligence is made of many independent abilities. Examples, social intelligence, abstract intelligence, mechanical intelligence. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a component of emotional intelligence? A. Self-awareness. B. Motivation. C. Logical reasoning. D. Empathy. Answer is C. Logical reasoning. Emotional intelligence components are self-awareness, self-regulation and motivation, empathy, social skills. Comforting a friend is empathy, not logical reasoning. Question number 18. Who introduced the concept of social intelligence? Thorndike, Stern, Binet, Wechsler. A. Thorndike. Social intelligence is equal to ability to understand and manage people. Example is a leader handling a team effectively. Question number 19. Which intelligence helps in writing poetry? A. Linguistic, B. Musical, C. Logical, D. Bodily. Answer is A. Linguistic. Linguistic intelligence is equal to ability to use words creatively. Example, a poet composing verses. Question number 20. The Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale measures intelligence through A. Performance and verbal tests, B. Only verbal reasoning, C. Numerical ability, and D. Emotional quotient. Answer is A. Performance and verbal tests. WAIS includes verbal comprehension, working memory, perceptual reasoning, and processing speed. Solving puzzles and answering vocabulary questions.